Hi there and welcome to another session of Business Studies for the 11th Standard with me, Vishwanath sir. We are basically at Fixed Shop Small Retailers where we covered up two parts, general stores and specialty shops. Now we shall go and check out what are the features of the others. One is the street stall holders. The street stall holders are small vendors who operate on a very small stall set up near a busy and crowded street, a railway station, a bus stand having different floating traffic. They usually deal with a cheap variety of products or daily need. Their products list basically include soft drinks, juices, household items, toys, newspapers, magazines, etc. So, the street stall holders are the small vendors who operate in a very small stall set by a nearby busy or a crowded street crossing, a railway station, a bus stand having floating traffic, and they usually deal with cheap variety of goods of daily need. They sell goods including soft drinks, juices, household items, toys, newspapers, magazines, etc. Example, a pawn shop next to the bus stand, a newspaper stand in front of the railway station, a juice shop near the crossing or outside a college. Disadvantage, they can offer daily need products at cheaper prices due to the low overhead costs. Disadvantage, to offer cheap prices, the quality can be compromised. Okay, so the rates are cheap, and with the cheap rates, the quality also is compromised. So these are street stall holders. From the street stall holders, we go to the next small retailers. That is a second-hand goods shop. The second-hand goods shop are usually run by retailers dealing in second-hand goods. They sell second-hand items at very low prices, providing an opportunity for people with modest means. The second-hand goods shops are usually located near a busy area in form of a small stall or a temporary platform attracting a large number of customers. However, the second-hand shops sell sometimes expensive and rare antique items, attract people from the higher income group also. Example, used books, clothes, used cars or automobiles, furniture, and other household items, etc., which can be sold in second-hand shops. The advantage, of course, the lower income group get the opportunity to buy the products which they would not be able to otherwise buy. And next, the used products may have quality problems. Okay, so it might need some more requests, and ultimately it will increase your cost. So just repeating again, the second-hand goods shop. The second-hand goods shops are run by the retailers dealing in second-hand goods. They sell second-hand items at very low prices, providing an opportunity for the people with modest means to buy. The second-hand shops usually are located in busy areas in form of a small stall or a temporary platform to attract a large number of customers. However, the second shop selling expensive, rare and antique items attract people from the higher income group also. Example, used books, clothes, used cars or automobiles, furniture and other household goods which can be sold in the second-hand goods shop. Advantage, lower income group get an opportunity to buy products which they cannot afford. Disadvantage, these products have got quality problems, and if you buy a second hand, it might need some more repairs from it. Okay, so this is your second hand goods shop. We also previously did the street stall holders today. Now let us go to the single line stores. Single line stores are shops which deal with a single product. They sell wide variety of items of the same line. Such shops are usually located at a central location, run by independent outlets in form of sole traders or partnership. Okay, so just repeating again, a single line stores are shops which deal with a single product. They sell a wide variety of items of the same line. Such shops are usually located at a central location run by independent outlets in form of sole traders and partnership firms. Okay? Examples, you can tell novelty shoe shop stores, they only sell shoes of different brands for men, women and children. Time for You sells watches of different ranges and even wall clocks, wristwatches, table clocks and so on. Advantage, the customers can buy different types of goods from one shop only. The disadvantage, due to the various products on offer, the stores may not offer variety or options to choose from. So the options which you have to choose from is very less. Okay, so this is your novelty shops or one which deals with single line product. From here I go to the second shop. The second shop sells goods which are not produced as per specification or may have manufacturing defects. Goods at the second shop are either produced in a defective manner, so they are offered at a discounted price. The customers are informed about the defect before they buy the goods. Example, LG Electronic runs a defective stock showroom in Gurgaon. The defective stock is kept in the showroom and any customer who wants to buy it, okay, can go and buy it at a discounted price. The advantage is the products with minor defects at a discounted price enables the people to buy the products which they might not be otherwise able to buy. Disadvantage, the defective products may be of good quality and may not be technically sound. Okay, they might not be of a good quality and they might not be technically sound. Okay, so this was your fixed shop, small retailers, where we spoke about first the general stores, then we spoke about specialty shops, we spoke about today's street stall holders who are small vendors who operate in very small stalls nearby and a crowded crossing like a railway station, a bus stand having a lot of floating traffic. They usually deal in goods of cheap variety or products of daily need. The product which they mainly include are soft drinks, juices, household items, toys, newspapers, magazines, etc. They gave examples of a pawn shop near a bus stand or a newspaper stand in front of a railway station or a juice shop near a crossing or outside the college. Okay, then going further, the advantage is they can offer the daily need products at a very low overhead cost. Okay, not only that, they offer cheap price, they offer it at cheap prices, so here the quality is compromised. Then the second-hand goods shop. The second-hand goods shop are usually run by retailers in second-hand goods. They sell second-hand goods at very low prices, providing an opportunity for the people with modest means. The second-hand shop usually is located in a busy area in form of a small stop close to the locality. Example is used goods, clothes, cars or automobiles, furniture, etc. Advantage is the lower income group can get to buy this products which otherwise they wouldn't have been able to afford to. Disadvantage is the used products may have quality problems, so there would be a need for servicing again. Then you have got single line stores which deals with one type of product, single product. Such shops are usually located and run on independent outlets. Examples are novelty shops of shoes. Then there are second shops which sell goods which are produced not as per specifications, in short words, defective products. Please go through all these retailers and have a better understanding of each one of them. Thank you so much. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.